Hello and welcome to this video. Thank you so much for all your support. I can see there's so many followings, so many subscribers in all my social media platforms. I really appreciate you and thank you so much for your support, and I'm really honored and humbled to be serving you. So in this video I'm going to share 3 crucial things you need to know before you start your property investment journey. Very important, very simple and straightforward. I will just hit it on the nail and let's get going. But before we get going, if you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. Right, so many people go into property without knowing these 3 things. So you need to know this before you start your property investment journey. So I really hope you'll be able to actually implement. There are only 3 crucial things you need to know before you start property investing. So number 1 is knowledge. You have to have industry knowledge. Don't just start your property journey in a hope that you would find someone to help you guide, in a hope that you will learn about the knowledge whilst you go. You will learn about the industry whilst you go. No, absolutely wrong way to do it. Know the knowledge. Get an industry knowledge. Learn about the industry. Get newsletters. Follow the news about properties. Follow property investors, watch what they're doing, how they're behaving, where they're investing. Get the industry knowledge and know what ROI is, what your return on investments are, how you can work your return on investment to ensure to ensure whatever deal you are investing in is the actual deal. Okay. And then obviously work out how you can forge a partnership, how you can forge a joint venture partnership. Having an industry knowledge would help you, because what you do when you have industry knowledge, you'll be networking with people, you'll be going to property events, property seminars, and then you can easily form a partnership with those people. Again, vital important for you to be partnering with people, and then obviously you'll be able to know once you got the proper industry knowledge, you will know what sort of people you want to partner with, and also knowing your cash flow, right? Knowing what your rental income is, what are the expenses that are included in your rental income, so you can deduct it to know what your net profit is. Some people call it net cash flow. So very important to know what sort of expenses to include in your cash flow. I need to make sure that your property is generating you a minimum of £300. Okay, all our properties that we have with our students also, they're all over £300. So the bare minimum you can make from a rent to rent property, from a rent to rent property, is minimum of 500. For a buy to let property, I am asking you, please to look for properties that can generate you a minimum of £300. That's the minimum you want. Anything below that, walk away from it. It's not a deal that will give you a better return on your investment. Number 2, experience. Okay, get a mentor, get someone who will guide you, can coach you, someone you can learn from, someone you can learn from their mistake. The wise man said it's better to learn from someone else's mistakes than your mistake. It's always cheaper, quicker, and efficient way to learn as well. Follow them, subscribe to their YouTube channels if you have to. Follow them on Instagram, on Facebook, LinkedIn, however you need to follow these people. Follow them so you can learn from them, right? And create a YouTube channel so that you would also learn from the other people by commenting on their posts and all that sort of thing. Copy their strategies, right? There's so many breadcrumbs in the properties investors videos. So follow the trend, see what they're doing, try to replicate that, try to see what sort of strategies that they're doing. Don't follow the property gurus that are pretending to be property investors, but they're not really investing in properties. You will never ever see their property project that they're doing online. They just sell you the dream. They actually do something completely different. So look for the ones that are actually doing what you want to do. Right, look for someone maybe that's not far away from where you want to get to. Okay, that person would relate to you a lot more than having a property guru that will charge you tens of thousands only for you to be disappointed. Okay, find someone who's not actually massive out there, who hasn't got that lots of students to actually teach, so you would be able to work with them in one-to-one basis, where you could get that sort of holding hand to support you to get you to the next level. So again, that's the only way those are one of the ways that you could gain experience working with this sort of people. Number 3 is money. right? You need to learn about money. You need to know what money is, what the definition of money is, right? Because most people are working for the money, right? Most people, 90% of the people are work for money. You need to reverse it. You need to make the money work for you, right? What do I mean by that? You need to make the money work while you sleep. So you can sit, do whatever you like, do like what I'm doing now. I like impacting people positively. I like recording videos. I'm doing this. My investments are generating me income. I don't have to do anything, right? And I still get money at the end of the month. So these are the sort of positions you want to put yourself in. So again, learn how to use other people's money. Okay, don't go out there begging for money. Don't go out there asking for money, right? Don't ask for money. Provide opportunities, right? Ask if anybody know anybody who would like to invest in XYZ that gives XYZ return on investment. This is the way you ask for money without asking for money. Okay, so again, family and friends, tell them what you do, tell them about money, what the return they can get from their money. And then obviously, I'm not advising you to do this if you don't know how to do it. Use your credit cards, right? You could use a credit card efficiently to start investing in property. It could be rent to rent, service accommodation, or buying your own properties. Okay, I will do a video where I share how I use credit cards to buy properties. Okay, I will do that video so you can see exactly what I did. Again, you can do that, but I'm not advising you to do that if you don't know what you're doing. I recommend you get a financial advisor to advise you on how to use a credit card. So don't do it if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, and tell everybody about what you do, right? Tell everybody about what you do, offer the opportunity, and to like invest and work with them. But you need to know the definition of money, right? What successful people are doing with money, right? Look at yourself or look at the people that you see online. Most of them that are successful, money works for them. They don't work for the money, right? They don't work for them. They do things that they like, right? They're not out there looking for money or working in an hourly basis or on a weekly basis to get money. So whether they work or they don't work, they still got their residual income coming, and they're doing things online that really gives them a satisfaction. So you could be doing exactly the same thing. So work hard now, know the industry, learn about the industry, get the knowledge of the industry, get an experience for someone who's already doing what they're doing, and then obviously know the definition of money and know how to manipulate money, how to use money to get more money, or how to use people to get money to work for you. Again, I hope this video has been helpful. If you like this video or any of my videos, don't forget to hit the like button below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. And again, I'm doing a free property investment crash course. I do this actually every month completely free, where I share the industry knowledge, experience that I've gained through my property journey, and how to use other people's money to actually generate money that works for you. If you're interested, there is a link in the description below to register yourself. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. And you can come and spend a day with me, where I share the most recent property investment strategies that I'm taking advantage of to build my fortress for me and my family. And again, if you want to book me in for a free strategic call where you can talk about properties, ask me any question, again, there's a link on the description below. You can click on that link. It's completely free, no string attached at all. You can book me in for a 30-minute call, and I'll be happy to have a meeting with you and discuss whatever you want to discuss in properties. If there's a way we could help and guide you to actually start and scale your property journey, we'll be more than happy to help you. Again, if you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. Thank you so much for listening. I look forward to sharing in the next video. Thank you.